Apple's back with the iPhone 16, and it's not just another upgrade. In this video, we'll compare the iPhone 15 and iPhone 16, performance, design, camera, AI, and more to help you decide if it's time to switch. Before we dive in, here's what we'll be covering in this comparison. First, we'll look at performance and AI capabilities. What's new under the hood? Then we'll explore camera innovations that enhance photo and video experiences. We'll also cover changes in design, display, and durability. Next, we'll look at battery life and charging improvements. And finally, we'll compare connectivity features and pricing to help you decide which iPhone is right for you. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 takes performance to a whole new level. It's powered by Apple's next-gen A18 chip, built on a 3-nanometer process, making it up to 30% faster than the A16 chip inside the iPhone 15, with improved efficiency for gaming, video editing, and everyday use. The RAM has also been upgraded from 6 GB to 8 GB, meaning apps stay open longer, multitasking is smoother, and memory-intensive tasks perform effortlessly. But the real game changer? Apple Intelligence. iPhone 16 supports AI tools like smart summaries, email drafting, context-aware Siri, and even image generation, features you simply won't find on the iPhone 15. It's not just faster, it's smarter. Both phones come with a 48-megapixel main and 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera. But iPhone 16 levels up, offering macro photography, spatial video recording, audio mixing, and a new camera control button. No more fumbling to switch modes. Visually, iPhone 16 sticks to the 6.1-inch OLED screen, but adds better brightness control and stronger ceramic glass. The mute switch is gone, replaced by a fully customizable action button. Plus, the new vertical camera layout supports spatial capture. iPhone 16 lasts about 2 hours longer than iPhone 15 during video playback, and MagSafe charging is now faster at 25 watts if you use a 30W adapter. When it comes to staying connected, the iPhone 16 takes a step into the future with Wi-Fi 7. That means faster download speeds, lower latency during gaming or video calls, and stronger signals in crowded areas. A real upgrade over the iPhone 15's Wi-Fi 6. Both phones feature Bluetooth 5.3 and support 5G. But iPhone 16 also improves signal efficiency and thermal management during long calls. And for everyday durability, both are rated IP68, meaning they can survive accidental spills, dust, and even submersion in water up to 6 meters for 30 minutes. So whether you're in the rain or by the pool, you're covered. iPhone 15 comes in soft pastels, blue, pink, yellow, green, black. iPhone 16 introduces teal, ultramarine, white, and pink. Starting at $799, it's $100 more, but packs in more features. iPhone 16 brings us some real upgrades to the table. A powerful A18 chip, more RAM, and full access to Apple Intelligence, giving you smarter Siri, AI tools, and enhanced productivity. Add to that a new camera button, better low-light photography, faster MagSafe charging, and Wi-Fi 7, and it clearly leads the race. On the other hand, iPhone 15 still remains a strong contender. It has the same high-quality display, a great 48-megapixel camera, smooth performance, and all the essential Apple features at a lower price. So, if you want cutting-edge AI and improved creator tools, iPhone 16 is worth the upgrade. But if you're coming from an older iPhone and want great value without spending extra, the iPhone 15 still holds up well in 2025.